We all know that space is one of the most crucial things in our houses, especially in Singapore. There are two things to keep in mind, that is the cost and how are things going to fit in our rooms. Energy-saving products are a hot topic and they are heavily sought out in the market. However, in the saturation of all these products, it might be confusing for homeowners out there. Speaking of a hot topic, one of the things that we switch on every day in our lives and takes a considerable amount of energy is our ceiling fan. However, energy-saving fans, aka DC ceiling fans, are just a gimmick. They slow down the speed of your fan, hence resulting in a low airflow being generated. But if you're looking for a fan that can fit in any space, in any room, and on top of that, truly energy-saving and also still has a strong airflow, well, what a coincidence, we have Efenz.
Efenz is a local brand from Singapore that has gone through multiple levels of research and developments and have patented their products, which means that they only have the rights to it. Plus, it comes with an option of installing a light which saves you the space in a compact, strong and quality fan. Having 5 different sizes, it is truly versatile to be installed in any room in any size.
So, if you guys are looking for a fan that is not only energy-saving but also helps the environment by reducing carbon footprint, take the first step with Efenz. Oh, before I forget, Efenz is the only ceiling fan company in Singapore to provide 36 months worth of on-site warranty. So what are you waiting for?
Renopedia, the most engaging online renovation media.